So I'm going to first boil some water. Then we're going to add in some onions and some margarine to cook it. We're going to add in our noodles. We're going to cook for 5 minutes. So we're going to drain the water, and we're going to keep that water for later. But we're going to keep it here, and now we're going to put some margarine and some onions in there. So we've added margarine. I'm going to put some onions. And more onions. Stir this up. We're going to saute that. Add some garlic pepper, garlic powder, and some soya. Cook that. Mix well. Add 1 can of cream of mushrooms. 1 can. And now we're going to add some of that broth, or that liquid there, about half a can. And we're going to mix it in. And stir. And now we're going to add the special ingredients. The Buldak ramen powder, makes it creamier. And we're going to stir this up. Nice. We're going to spice it up with the creamy carbonara sauce. This is very spicy. We've added that in. We're going to stir it and change to this color. There we go. And now we're going to add the pasta. Whoop. Stir that up. Give it another 2 minutes. And here we have the final product.
Best to let it cool down a bit. Oh boy, delicious. Hope you enjoy. Bon appetit.